New parents can be really confused about what might be normal and what might be abnormal for their baby. So there are definitely some times where you should contact your pediatrician. If you suspect that your baby is colicky, then you should definitely reach out to the pediatrician. There isn't always something that they can do, but sometimes colic can go hand in hand with things like reflux or food intolerances. So if you're experiencing a lot of upset, a lot of spit up, and just a lot of general crankiness, then you may want to reach out to the doctor, especially if you're thinking that it is reflux related. Your doctor can prescribe a medication that will help your baby. When it comes to food intolerances, your doctor may prescribe a certain type of formula, and if you're nursing, your doctor may ask you to eliminate certain things from your diet to see if that helps your baby's digestion. Another thing that you definitely want to look out for is if your baby is mouth breathing or snoring. Those are signs of sleep apnea. They don't always show up from day one, but as soon as you start noticing a frequent snoring or mouth breathing while they're sleeping, it's worth mentioning to the pediatrician, tracking it either on a piece of paper or on a Google document or like wherever, but make sure that you're keeping track of those things because you might need the information for it down the road. This probably goes without saying, but if your baby is sick or needs medical attention for an ear infection, or if they are constipated or extra gassy, or if they have frequent diarrhea, these are all things that you need to consult your child's pediatrician about. There's no need to hesitate if you feel like you need extra medical support, so make sure you reach out to your pediatrician and at least get something in your child's file so that you can have it tracked and watched over time. If not, have it treated sooner rather than later.